What's up guys, Brody here from Campaign One at a Time. We're here at the 2019 Santa's Workshop. We're super stoked. We've got a bunch of the families that we've been able to impact over the years, some new ones out here, taking care of them for the holidays, building up the community here, rallying some support and having a good time. Happy holidays from Campaign One at a Time. Addison was actually a student here, and she's actually gone through her own cancer journey, and she's done some amazing stuff. Just in the last few weeks, she's raised over $1,800 for some of these toys up here on that stage. So give it up for Addison, guys.
On January 7, 2018, I was really sick and started to have trouble breathing. I went to the emergency room. That day, I was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. I've been getting chemo for almost 24 months and have 5 more to go. I was so sick in the beginning that I don't remember a lot of details. I spent more than 125 days in the hospital between January and September. During frontline treatment, I had to go back to the hospital a lot. I had a fungal lung infection that made me really sick. I had seizures in the middle of the night, and an ambulance had to take me to the hospital. I got a lot of fevers and would have to go to the hospital, more tests, and often was admitted. Like everyone who has chemo, I lost all my hair. I couldn't eat anymore and weighed only 52 pounds. I had to get a feeding tube that probably saved my life. For over a year, every week I go and get vitamin C and other good things put into my part. I take a lot of supplements each day, and learning to take pills was a big challenge, but I overcame it and don't mind it so much anymore. So many people have done nice things for me and my family. One of my best friends shaved her head when I had to get mine shaved. I know how all you feel and what you have been through. I know what it's like to be sick, you can't see your friends or do anything or go anywhere. I know what it's like to be in a hospital for weeks at a time. I know what it's like to be really scared. I am so glad you are here tonight. I hope you have a fun and a very Merry Christmas.
1769940.
Oh yeah, there we go.
It is 638586.
Oh my god, no way! Yay!
Oh, we got a winner. I think we know what that means. Stand up, you'd like to come on up here. Guys, so we're just wrapping up here at the 2019 Santa's Workshop, and we are super stoked on how it went. A bunch of families came out and spent the night with us. The community came out, had a blast. A huge shout out to Boketto.digital for coming out and filming this night with us. Acton Academy Plaster for putting us on, opening just open arms with their venue. Addison and Aiden Corey and their whole family for fundraising so much, and I could go on and on with the list of people I can thank. All of our different sponsors, Boatman, oh my goodness, all the different raffle prizes that we had, Jet Set. Just thank you guys, and until next year, happy holidays.